Imagine you are leaving Earth, our blue planet, and venturing into the mysterious cosmos. Right ahead, closer to the Sun, lies a unique planet, Venus, often called Earth's twin sister. But don't let the name fool you. Venus may be similar to Earth in size and composition, but what lies on its surface is vastly different. Venus is a deadly world where temperatures are so high they can melt metal, and the thick atmosphere is shrouded in clouds of sulfuric acid. It's a planet that scientists continue to explore and strive to understand better year after year. Just like Earth, Venus was formed about 4.5 billion years ago from a cloud of dust and gas. In its early days, Venus might have shared more similarities with Earth than it does now. Scientists once speculated that Venus could have had water and oceans similar to our planet, but what happened to turn this planet into the scorching hell it is today? About 700 million years ago, Venus may have experienced a significant event. Continuous volcanic activity released greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. With no balancing factors like those on Earth, the planet gradually turned into a massive oven, with surface temperatures soaring above 460 degrees Celsius, making it extremely difficult for any form of matter to survive. If you stood on the surface of Venus, you would be surrounded by a thick layer of gas, primarily CO2, with a pressure 92 times that of Earth. It would feel as though you were being compressed from all sides. The clouds in the sky are not made of water, but are composed of sulfuric acid. Strangely, beneath this thick layer of clouds, the surface of Venus experiences very little strong wind. Instead, the atmosphere is more like a tranquil zone, with wind speeds only a few kilometers per hour. However, Venus is not entirely quiet. One of the most striking phenomena on this planet is its extremely powerful lightning storms, which occur frequently despite the lack of water. These lightning strikes make Venus unique and different from any other planet in the solar system. What makes Venus truly unique is not just its toxic atmosphere and deadly surface, but also its rotation. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets. Instead of rotating from west to east like Earth, Venus spins from east to west. This means that if you were standing on the surface of Venus, you would see the sun rise in the west and set in the east. Even more bizarre, a day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus rotates so slowly on its axis that it takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation, while a year on Venus only lasts 225 Earth days. Despite Venus having many harsh features, it is interesting to note that its size and mass are nearly identical to Earth's. This is why Venus is often called Earth's twin. However, the most significant difference lies in its atmosphere. While Earth's atmosphere protects us from ultraviolet rays and supports life, Venus's atmosphere is a deadly trap, with temperatures remaining constant regardless of day or night. We have undertaken great missions to Venus. The Soviet Venera spacecraft were the first to successfully land on Venus's surface in the 1970s and 1980s. However, these spacecraft only survived for a few hours due to the harsh conditions. More recently, Japan's Akatsuki spacecraft has helped us learn more about Venus's weather, providing valuable data about the planet. Yet many mysteries remain to be solved. It is possible that one day we will find ways to approach and explore Venus more deeply. A scorching, dangerous, but incredibly fascinating world. Venus is not only a hostile planet, but also a gateway for us to learn more about climate change and environmental conditions in the universe. By exploring Venus, we can gain valuable lessons to help protect our own planet. With current advancements in science and technology, it is possible that in the near future, we may return to Venus, not only to observe, but also to uncover many more secrets hidden within this mysterious planet. Venus is a reminder of the harsh power of the universe. It is a reflection of what can happen if a planet's climate goes awry. Although it is the twin sister of Earth, Venus has taken a very different path, and we, the inhabitants of Earth, should perhaps learn from Venus to avoid following the same disastrous course as our neighboring planet.